Hello everyone, welcome, and today I'm going to show a demo of a keyword scanner that is made in App Inventor without any extensions and with a professional looking UI. You can download this app by the link in description, and also if you want the AIA file, please contact me through mail by the mail ID given in the description. So first of all, we have to click the let's get started, which it will ask for the permissions. You have to grant the permissions to record audio and video, and then here it will have two options like start scan and view history. When you scan, then after that the details will be stored in the history, which you can access from later on, but the options to delete the history is not yet available and will be available from the next update. So first of all, let us scan a barcode. So as you can see, the barcode is scanned, and now you will go to the history, and you will see that it has already came to the history. And if I copy this and let me Google it, then you will see the correct option, what is the item, or if there is an what is it, a website, then you can easily copy and paste it in the browser, and the website will be available. And you can see there is a huge amount of huge amount of products in here. So like this you can scan for the QR code and can access items. I will show you more if you want, and like I am scanning it again, another QR or barcode. You will see that the barcode is available, and now it have came to another one. Now I will again copy. Now let me again Google it. You will see a different result totally. Okay, like this you can keep on scanning QR codes, which will be helpful in many areas. So if you want any kind of app to be made and for the demo, you can comment in the comment section, and I will try to make that kind of app, and I will give the demo as well as the link to download this app. And please download this app, and if you want to recreate, you can easily ask me and I will provide you the AIA in the mail. So thank you guys, see you in the next